Hello and welcome to our Prizm video training series. Here we will be bringing you bite-sized training videos to help you learn how to best use our new tool, Prizm. In this video we're going to be looking at the customer's experience. Just to clarify, when we talk about customer, we're talking about our end users here. These are any of our employees in the company or vendors that will be submitting tickets into Prizm that we will be working as agents. So we're going to go ahead and look at how our customers will be submitting issues, how they can research issues that they have put in originally, and also how to kind of correspond with us. It's important for us as agents to know what our end users are going to be experiencing so that we can give them the best experience possible. I've opened up the Prizm homepage here. As you can see, I launched a page and immediately it did log me in. This is a test account here, so we see that I'm logged in up on the top, and it's brought me to the service catalog page. This is a different page than we see as agents when we launch a tool. It brings them straight to a quick and easy, intuitive place to submit their issues. So the first thing we'll do is go ahead and submit an issue as if we are the customer and just trying to find a place to tell us that we're having a problem. For our example, let's go ahead and say that I'm having a problem with my VPN connection. Let's just say it's not working and I want to let the team know that I need some help here. So I'm presented with this page here. Let's say, well, something is broken here. I'm presented with, I need something is broken, something called a CSR easy button in Prizm feedback. This something is broken seems to fit my needs the most. I'm reporting a problem here. I'm going to go ahead and select Find Services. When I click Find Services, I'm presented with some other options. I can scroll down and find lots of other categories. And well, here we go. Yeah, this VPN connection, it's a network problem. I can see a network connectivity problems. I can even read the description here. Use this service to report problems connecting to the Suddenlink network, wired, wireless, and VPN. Awesome. That's my problem. I have a VPN problem today. Let me go ahead and click Find Services there. Well, now I'm presented with a list of actual services that I can select. If I scroll through here, yep, there it goes. There's my choice. My VPN connection is not working. Let me go ahead and select that choice. Let the page load here. And I'm presented with a template that gives a little bit of information about my service. This is a very simple and straightforward one. It just says my VPN connection is not working. I see a description of my issue. Select this service to report problems connecting to the Suddenlink VPN. And here in this page, we can also add lots of awesome information about the service that we're offering. We can give troubleshooting tips and lots of great things. In this example, we simply have a link to the VPN page to make sure that we're using the right link. They can go ahead and select this link and open it if they like to make sure that they're going to the right VPN page. Let's say yes, I'm going to that right link. It's just not working for some reason. I'm going to go ahead and say yes, this is what I need help with. I'm going to request this service. And here we go. This loads me into the ticket. This is the actual ticket that I'll be submitting. This is the ticket form. And from the top down, we'll kind of take a brief glance here. As we can see, it did capture all of my information. I don't have to type in my first and last name anymore. I don't have to type in my phone number. It knows who I am and it knows my address and my information from our address book. So I'll scroll down and I can read step 1. Please provide a brief description of your issue in the summary field. Okay, and well, look, it's already pre-filled for me. The great thing that we've really been happy with about this template, about all of our templates, is that they're really about 95% filled in for the end user, for our customer. They really just have to kind of add what's pertinent to their situation. So this says I'm having problems logging into the VPN. I could add some additional information to this. I'll say this is a test ticket. All right. Step 2, please make sure to let us know the impact and urgency of the request. So the customer would say, well, this is just impacting me. Everybody else's VPN is working fine today. And yes, I am down. This was pre-selected for me, but I wanted to make sure it was the right one. I am down. I'm not able to work right now, so please get me some help. And the description, step 3, please give us the details of your request in the field below in this description or activity log. And it simply says I'm having problems logging into the VPN. we can add some more information here. We can say this is a test. However, I could have put notes in here about when the problem started, etc. I scroll down, I can see that my categories, my type of ticket, and my subcategories, they're all filled in for me. I can scroll down, I can attach a file if I wanted to, confirm my information is all filled in correctly here, and I'd simply hit save at the top or the bottom of the ticket. And it's that easy. That's how simple someone could, the simple solution someone could use to submit an issue in to us. I want to show you a few more things about the kind of the way you could submit that ticket in to the system. So you saw that I went through something is broken, and then I went to that network problems area. Let's say, for example, you didn't know that the service you were looking for was in that exact spot. Well, just to kind of illustrate, we have built our service catalog to be as intuitive as possible, to the best of our ability here. We know that not everybody's going to call something the same kind of problem, and not everybody's going to look in the same place. Let's say you thought it was an account problem. You say, everybody, I know that I need some changes on my account to make my VPN work. Let's say that I looked here instead of network problems, and I said I have a password and account problem. Well, if I scroll up and down here, do I see anything that has to do with my VPN? Oh gosh, there it is. VPN login problems. Use this service to report problems logging into the SSL VPN, or if your account's locked out and you can't get into the VPN. And there I would have another service that I could order. Same service, goes to the same team for support, but it's just a different place that end users could find it. And even more kind of simple and intuitive, what I really love about the service catalog is that you can also use the search button here on top. So let's say you didn't want to kind of comb through the different services and see what's available. You just know you're having some issue with your VPN. You just want to see what we have with that keyword. Well, we could search for it here in the search box up in the upper right hand corner. Just hit enter. And here we go. It's going to actually bring up all the results of any service we have in the service catalog that has the word VPN in it. So we can say, hey, this is something for a service for I need something, I need VPN access. VPN happens to be on our FAQ page. Let's see, login problems. So I could find my problem or my issue here, my service that I want, and select it on one of these and order it that way. It's also intelligently searching. So if you search from something is broken, you've clicked on that first, and then you said, well, let me search from here, and search for the word VPN. It'll bring us back just the results of VPN issues, or VPN services rather, within this something is broken category. So it really helps us find and select services to order, helps our end users have a nice, fast, easy to use way to submit their issues. Now, let's look at another great feature that end users have available to them. One big thing that we see is that a lot of users will, put in another ticket about their ticket. They put in more emails to track it today to find out about what's going on with their issue. They'll call the service desk and say, hey, what's the status on the issue I put in a couple days ago? I'm just wanting to see what's going on. Well, now it's right at all of our end users' fingertips, right at our customers' fingertips. Anytime someone launches the Prizm page, they can go ahead and select home, and right here on the home page you're actually going to be able to see all the tickets that you've submitted, their status. You can see when it was submitted, and all the details on exactly what's going on the ticket. You could even pull it open and look at the details of it, see the log of what's happened, who's been working on the issue, and so forth. So your information about your request is right there at your fingertips. And let's look at one more big change and big value add that Prizm does add. So with the move away from Trackit, we can no longer submit new issues as an email, but we do heavily integrate email into Prizm. So what I see here, I'm looking at the email box from the account that I've opened this ticket with, and I see my ticket here. I see an email about my ticket. Prizm ticket 417. I'm having problems logging into the VPN. I'll go ahead and open this. And this gives me kind of a simple little template. Thanks for contacting the service desk. Your ticket's been entered. It gives me my ticket number. It gives me the subject of it. And it even gives me the notes that have been entered here into the ticket. And here's what's really neat. You can also click right here and it'll pull up that detail view of the ticket. And also, the big changer for us is if we want to add information to this ticket, we can simply reply to any of the emails that Prizm gives us and say, you know, I would like to reply to this ticket. Hit send. What Prizm will do is actually receive the email from our end user or even from us from a reply. It'll append that information into the log on the ticket, and it will even alert the personnel who have been assigned to the ticket that, hey, this ticket's been updated, the customer has responded, and there's new information here. So all the correspondence will still go back and forth right from our Outlook client or from Outlook Web, from our mobile device, and get appended and captured right there in the log, right on the ticket, which is a big win for us because it means that for teams that are sharing work, that email correspondence is always going to be captured right there in the ticket log, so everybody can know what's going on at an issue at any given time. No more copying and pasting from Outlook. So those are three great features that we can see in this new Prizm system for our end users. They can submit issues now through our service catalog. They can look at their home page to review issues that they've submitted already, and they can also search for their services in the service catalog here as well, and they can reply to tickets and update tickets via their Outlook client. So great new tool. Thanks for tuning in to this training video, and we will see you in the next one. Thank you.